have arrived at Rishikesh. Walking at the famous Lakshman Jhula here. So in this vlog, I'll be covering two places, Haridwar and Rishikesh.
मैदान में पीछे साइन ऑफ कर लीजिए लेकिन आप अपने सुरक्षा के लिए कुर्सी की बेड़ी बांधे रखें।
वैसे after seeing these clouds मुझे तो ZNMD वाली feeling आ जाती है. What about you? Does it come to you as well? If yes, then type in the comment section below. I'm at Haridwar right now. I'm just entering it. To Moradabad, we've just arrived at Haridwar. We are here for a quick dip and then we're gonna head straight to Rishikesh. Guys, just look at the view here. It is so peaceful, so. So guys, we are entering Haridwar. Hi mom. Hi. As you know, I'm at Haridwar. It's in Uttarakhand and it's a place which is known to everyone. Basically, Haridwar means footsteps of Lord Shiva. The Ganga water that flows from here is very pure. So if you take a dip, all your whatever paps you have done will get washed away. That's the basic core. Now the most fascinating sight here is the evening aarti. As we've come in morning, we are going to miss it. That's sad. But it's fine. We're going to take a quick dip and cleanse whatever paps we have done. I am at this Mohanji Puri Wala today at Haridwar. This is just next to the entrance of Har Ki Pauri, as you can see. So I am at Mohan Puri Wala at Haridwar. Now it is just next to the gate of entering Har Ki Pauri. Now the food was so good that I just had it and I didn't even get chance to shoot while eating it. All that's left right now is this aloo chana and this lassi. Now that the fact that I am even not able to make it, it shows that it's so tasty. So it's definitely a recommendation. What you can try here is the aloo chana sabzi with puri. Then the dried aloo is super spicy and super tasty, and that's why you also have this amazing lassi. Go do check it out. And also I tried this halwa puri, which was absolutely amazing. We are even packing 2 to 3 packets with us. Go do try it. And these malpuas and halwas were so good yaar. I couldn't make a video of it. पहले ही खा गई. खाना खाया मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगा. बताइए आपकी शॉप कितने साल से है? 100 साल से ऊपर हो. 100 साल से ऊपर है. डेफिनेटली आपका खाना बहुत ही अच्छा लगा. नेक्स्ट टाइम मैं हर किसी को रेकमेंड कर ही रही हूँ आपका खाना. Guys, you should come here and get relaxed. So the food that I've had here, they are all without onion and garlic. So just as to preserve the sanctity of this holy place. You can also come in the evening time, as I've said before because evening time you'll get the aarti. Or you can come in early morning, like around 4, 5, 6. Because it's quite peaceful here. Right now it's a bit crowded, so it's better to come in the morning, early morning, or in the evening by 5 or 6. So now we are heading to Rishikesh and I'll update you. Haridwar to Rishikesh is very short, just 1 hour drive. And we have arrived at a beautiful hotel. Now I have arrived at Rishikesh and we are staying at this beautiful property called Namami Ganges. First of all, I absolutely love the property. It's next to the riverbank basically. Let me walk you around. Swimming pool, check. Now my favorite part is this gorgeous sitting area. I absolutely love it. First of all, let me ask you, yeah, why do we don't have such swings anymore in the recent houses that we built, right? There's this another sitting area here, which seems a bit weird to me. I've seen this one for the first time. There's this amazing cobblestone walk, which I've adored. It reminds me of Goa somehow. These are the rooms. I'll show you the room later on. And the best part, let me get to you, the best part is this river. The view is so good, so good. I mean, spending 10k per night for this view is totally worth it. Sitting area here as well. And now we are heading to the river bank. Just look at the view here. It's just so mesmerizing. So guys, in Rishikesh, people often come for sports activities, right? So water sports which are available in this resort are, first is normal boating. Like it will take you from, like, for a 500 to 600 meter stretch. It's a 15-minute ride that you can do. Second one is for people aged between 15 to 55. That's river rafting. So basically that's a 12-kilometer ride and takes approx, 1.5 hours or something like that. By 1.5 hours, 40 minutes से आपको कहीं लेके जाएंगे, फिर वहाँ से वापस आने में 1 घंटा something. So that's 1.5. Third one is the zip line. So you can see this zip line stretching from here till that mountain. So you're gonna go by hanging with a harness from here to there, and again back from that mountain, from this harness, from here to there. I don't know if you can see it or not, but I can see with my naked eyes. So I just had dinner here. Excellent food, and the star dish was Manchurian and fried rice. Guys, good morning. Now I'm here for my second cup of coffee in the morning. Why too? Because first one I had in the buffet and I was like, yeah, मैंने view के साथ तो I didn't have coffee. So the second time I'm coming to have coffee with the view, because ये view कहाँ मिलेगा यार मुझे सूरत में. Tell me I'm right or wrong. So now we're done with the breakfast, the coffee twice, and now we're again going to the ghat of Ganga so that we can get our legs wet again. See? Now this is the part to go to the Ganga river. एंड मेरा तो मन है अपना थर्ड कप ऑफ कॉफ़ी भी इधर चेयर्स पे आके बैठ के पी लूँ. व्हाट से, मतलब रोज़ ये व्यू के साथ कॉफ़ी मिले तो और क्या चाहिए लाइफ में, राइट? एंड वी आर एट द रिवर साइड अगेन राइट नाउ एंड जस्ट लुक एट द व्यू गाइज. आई विश आई कुड वेक अप एवरी डे टू दिस अमेजिंग व्यू. It's my day 2 at Rishikesh and I just realized that I haven't shown you the room. I love the room already. And the best part about this room is the balcony. Ding ding ding. We can see the Ganga river from here. Here two streams of Ganga getting merged. You can see the color difference. The one is brown and the other one is green. Hi guys, now we are all set for the boat riding. It's a 10-minute ride which we're gonna have, right? Very safe for family. Let's get started. Done with the river boating, we can say. It was not rafting. It was boating since I was with a family. I cannot do rafting since many people are aged above 55. Guys, I'm here for the ziplining adventure. Have a bit of butterflies in my stomach, but let's see how it goes. जय माता दी बोल के मैं तो चली गई. वैसे तो व्यू फ्रॉम हियर वाज क्रेजी. Guys, I just did the zip lining. And it was too good. I loved it, yes. I was scared a bit, but it turned out good. Walking at the famous Lakshman Jhula here.
Lakshman Jhula was made in 1929. It's called Lakshman Jhula because Lakshmanji once crossed the Ganga river on jute ropes where the bridge is built.
Back from Lakshman Jhula, and we are going to the resort again. So guys, while you're here, what you can do is there's also a street shop before you head out to Lakshman Jhula, so you can shop from here as well. So you can shop some Indian wear, Western wear, or some religious things like keychains or something like that. Everything is available here. Done some good shopping here. Bought some nice kurtas. The stay at Namame Ganges, and it was a beautiful stay. I highly recommend this place. Guys, so now I'm leaving Rishikesh, so I thought that why not stop at a good cafe. After a lot of research, I found that this cafe called Tatva Cafe is good here. So I've come here, I've ordered just one pizza. Why? Because there's no one to eat that pizza with me. So let's see how it turns out. I hope it meets my expectations. Guys, look at the amazing view here. Hi mom.
Hi.
Hi Masi. हाँ, पिज़्ज़ा तो अराइव हो गया है. Let's taste. We try it. The pizza is very good. It's very fresh. It's very hot. The taste is also excellent. I recommend it. It was an amazing trip. Someone take me back to Rishikesh, please. Now guys, before I sign off, I'm leaving you with an amazing airplane view. But wait, don't go yet. I have still something to say. We are done with the trip. I had an absolutely amazing trip. Hope you enjoyed the vlog as well. Do let me know how do you find it in the comments below.